Hi guys, Cassia from Innova. I'm joined with Lachelle today. We are both account strategists here at Innova. Shelley comes with a wealth of history in web development, and it's so appropriate that she joins us today as we talk about some recent web hosting issues that you may have experienced. So if you know, one of the big web hosting companies, Xnelio, has recently enforced a PHP update on their customers. And Shelley's just going to share with us what you can look out for in your business and what that actually essentially means. So,
Sure, so PHP is essentially the framework that your website runs on. And how that works in a server related field is that on the server you have an iOS, strictly speaking your PHP. Traditionally it's run on anything up to 7.4, which was the latest one, and now it's moving over to PHP 8. So on a Mac that would be like Yosemite updated to your next version and so on. So what happens from the website level is this sits on the actual software framework. And once that update happens, it's not to say that the website is necessarily structurally correct for it to run on that software update. So there's been a lot of security updates in the PHP 8 version. It is a really good version. It's just to get your website to the same level of running on that kind of framework. So a lot of people haven't kept their websites up to date, and this has caused a couple of issues with websites. We've seen a few toppling over. And what you need to look out for in the sense of how does your website look when it topples over, you'll see WordPress has a fatal error. This is commonly also a PHP update error. Or you'll see that the page loads halfway and then it says template not found, and in some cases we've seen web pages just going blank. So how to go about fixing that would be different ways of doing it, but updates is essential for your website.
sure. So if you are a current customer of ours that we host your website, you don't have to worry about it right now. It doesn't affect you. In the coming 2 or 3 months, we'll reach out to you with how we will have to roll out that update. If you're not a customer of ours, we do encourage you to go and check your websites to make sure that they are operating properly. If they are not, give us a shout.